Good morning, students. Myself Arvind Rai from LPM Public School, which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. And as you all know, I am your subject teacher of Social Studies. And in today's video, we are going to start our next topic, next chapter, that is needs and wants. I hope you all must be fine at your homes and enjoying your holidays. But apart from that, you should revise your topics. You should be in contact with your studies to get good marks in your exams. Now, I am here again with some new topics with a new chapter to be revised, that is needs and wants. Okay, needs and wants. If we are looking at the learning outcomes of this chapter, the first point is differentiate between needs and wants. Okay, what is difference between needs and wants? Second point is allocate limited resources between various needs and wants. Okay, what are the various resources by which we are fulfilling our needs and wants? And third point is recognize that one does not need expensive things to be happy. Okay, as you all know that for being a happy person on this earth or to lead a happy life, we don't need expensive things. ओके इसका मतलब ये हुआ हमें खुश रहने के लिए महंगी महंगी चीजों की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है। ठीक है, हमें अपने जीवन में छोटी छोटी चीजों में भी खुशियों की तलाश करनी चाहिए। ओके, सो दीज आर द टॉपिक्स व्हिच वी आर गोइंग टू कवर इन दिस चैप्टर। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी आर गोइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड द डिफरेंस बिटवीन नीड्स एंड वांट्स। ओके, नीड्स का मतलब होता है हमारी जरूरत और वांट्स का मतलब होता है हमारी इच्छाएं। हम क्या इच्छा रखते हैं अपने मन में, हमें क्या चाहिए, जो हमारा मन करता है। ओके, एंड फर्स्ट थिंग इज नीड्स। व्हाट इज नीड? जरूरत क्या है हमारी लाइफ के लिए, हमारे सर्वाइवल के लिए नीड्स कौन कौन सी चीजें हैं। सो वी आर गोइंग टू रीड अबाउट बेसिक नीड्स ऑफ अवर लाइफ एंड व्हाट आर आवर डिजायर्स, आवर वांट्स, दैट वी आर गोइंग टू डिफरेंशिएट between these two words in this video. Now see on page number 101. Okay, Neil was upset and angry. His mother had refused to buy him the new football boots he had seen in the shop last week. He tried one more time. Ma, please listen to me. I have to buy those boots. The inter-school football tournament is coming up next week. There is nothing wrong with your old boots, Neil. We bought them just a few months ago. You played so well in the last match wearing those boots. Oh, you don't understand, Ma. I am going to ask Dad. Dad was ironing Neil's uniform. Dad, will you buy me those football boots we saw in the shop last week? Our games teacher has told me to buy them. Why? What's wrong with your old boots? Okay, so this is a conversation happening between the son, his mother and his father, and he is asking for new boots for his football match which is in upcoming week. Okay, so his mother ignores to buy the boots, and apart from that she asks a question with him that why, what is wrong with your old boots? You played so well in your last match. ठीक है, उसकी माँ उससे पूछती है कि उस जूतों में, उन जूतों में क्या खराबी है, तुमने लास्ट मैच जो खेला था वो काफी अच्छा खेला था तुमने और उन बूट्स में भी कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। सो व्हाट्स रॉन्ग विद दैट बूट्स? सो ही सेज, oh, you are not going to understand my points. The son says to his mother that you are not going to understand this point. I am going to ask from Dad. So the boy, whose name is Neil, goes to his dad and he asks his dad to buy those boots which he had seen in the shop last week. And his dad also asked the same question, that why, what is wrong with your old boots? Nothing, but these are the best latest model, they are better than the ones I have. तो नील क्या कहता है कि उन जूतों में कोई खराबी नहीं है, बट मैं उन्हें खरीदना चाहता हूँ क्योंकि वो लेटेस्ट मॉडल है और जो मेरे पास है वो पुराने हैं, बस दैट्स इट. I am sorry Neil, but we will not be able to buy them. Dia is also starting school this year. We will need to pay both your school fees. So his father says that, sorry Neil, we are not going to buy those books for you because Ria, that is his sister, Ria, his smaller sister, that she is also going to join the school from this month, and we have to pay both your fees. Okay? Neil started crying. He knew that if he cried long enough, his parents would give in to his demands. And Neil, the boy, he started crying, and he thought that if I cry, then my demands will be fulfilled. अगर मैं रोऊंगा अपने पेरेंट्स के सामने, तो हो सकता है कि मेरी जो वांट है वो फुलफिल हो जाए. Then I need the boots. I need. He wailed. His mother came into the room. She looked at his father. Then they both sat beside Neil. Neil was triumphant. Yes, tears always work, he thought. Okay? और नील जो है I need it इस तरह से बोलते हुए वो चिल्ला के रो रहा था. तभी उसके पेरेंट्स जो हैं, फादर एंड मदर, दे केम एंड सेट बिसाइड हिम. उसके पास आके बैठे तो उसे यह आश्वासन हो गया अपने आप के लिए कि हो सकता है कि मैं रो रहा हूं तो मेरे लिए अब जूते खरीदे जाएंगे. Then his mother spoke. Neil, I think it is time you understood the difference between want and need. You want the football boots but you do not need them. तो उसकी माँ कहती हैं कि नील, हमें लगता है कि अब तुम्हें नीड्स एंड वांट्स के बीच में डिफरेंस समझ में आ गया होगा. ठीक है? You want that boots but you don't need them. वो बूट्स जो हैं, नए बूट्स तुम्हें चाहिए मगर तुम्हें उसकी जरूरत नहीं है. Okay? So these are the conversations going on between the child, his father and his mother. A need is something we cannot live without, like air, food and water, but there are other things that we would like to have, but they are not necessary for our survival. But for example, I might want a bigger house, a new car, another pair of jeans. These things are wants. We can live without them, his father explained. What his father said? That needs are the things that we cannot